The Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam and the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, India's new criminal laws, come into effect. They have replaced the British-era criminal laws that had seen many amendments and changes over the years. The new laws have many good features and some concerns as well. You can now file an FIR in any police station in state or union territory where crime is committed. There will be no arrest for offences with punishment of less than 3 years without permission from officers of DSP rank or above. Charge sheet must be filed within 19 days of complaint. The courts can extend this time limit by another 90 days. Courts must give verdict within 30 days of starting trial. There will be complete video recording of any search or seizure conducted by police. Automatic bail will be granted to under trials who have served more than half of maximum sentence for their offence. 10 years jail for hit and run. There will be a witness protection program in sensitive cases. Community service as a form of punishment for petty offences gets the nod. Statement of sexual assault survivor will be recorded at home by woman magistrate. Here comes the concerns. The police can seek 15-day custody anytime within 90 days of arrest. This could mean up to 90 days in prison. Bail is still not the rule. Jail is still not the exception, as there is no option for default bail. Digital devices such as phones, laptops, etc. can be seized during investigation. The police get powers to attach any property deemed to be proceeds of crimes. Provisions related to terror, organized crime could be misused. New clauses that cover sedition are very broad and prone to misuse. The opposition claims that the laws were bulldozed as the MPs were suspended when they passed by the parliament. Home Minister Amit Shah claimed that the new laws were passed after wide consultations.
मैंने 2020 में सभी सांसदों को पत्र लिखकर उनके सुझाव मांगे थे, सभी मुख्यमंत्रियों को पत्र लिखकर उनके सुझाव मांगे थे, सभी सुप्रीम कोर्ट के सम्मानीय न्यायाधीशों को पत्र लिखकर उनके सुझाव मांगे थे, सभी हाई कोर्ट के चीफ जस्टिस को पत्र लिखकर सुझाव मांगे थे.
Cases under the new laws were filed in many states on Monday. In Delhi, the police booked a street vendor for alleged obstruction near a road in the first case under the BNS.